Hi, thanks for joining today's episode of AI Book Reading Challenge. Today is our third day. If you are joining us for the first time, my name is Henry Onowale. I'm an AI enthusiast and also an AI educator and AI expert. I help organizations to drive AI implementation from beginning to the end, from the conception level down to the deployment level or down to the application level. One of the activities that I determined to engage myself is to spend 30 minutes of my time to read an AI book. And the focus for this year is AI ethics, AI governance, and responsible AI. AI ethics, responsible AI, and AI governance. AI governance. We picked 4 books for our AI book reading challenge for this year. And the first on our list is titled AI Governance, a Primer, authored by Edward Aden. Yesterday, we looked at the definition of governance, and we also look at the individuals or the stakeholders involved in implementing AI governance. And we look at their roles and responsibility. Then some of the stakeholders that we reviewed yesterday in yesterday's reading, one was the leadership team that comprises of CEO, board of directors, executive, and management. And we also look at the roles and responsibility of the chief AI officer / the chief data officer. We also look at functional owners, and we look at the AI ethics board committee. And yesterday we stopped at page 15. Today we are going to continue from page 16. If you don't have this book, you can get this book from Amazon. The title of the book is AI Governance, a Primer, authored by Edward Aden. Okay, thanks for joining. Thanks for staying tuned to this channel on a daily basis. As you know, that participating in this AI book reading challenge will help to consolidate your knowledge and understanding about the AI world and how to leverage AI as an individual for your day-to-day activities in order to achieve productivity and efficiency. And also, if you have the ambition to become a reputable AI subject matter expert, participating in this book reading challenge will expose you to various books and also understand AI from a conceptual level and also from a theoretical perspective, and which eventually help you to envisage how you can incorporate artificial intelligence from an application standpoint or a usability standpoint. Today, we'll continue from page 16. I read, AI project manager or leaders align AI projects with the organization's strategic goals and ethical guidelines. They coordinate cross-functional teams, manage project progress, risks, and resources, and facilitate effective communication among all project stakeholders. Their leadership ensures the successful execution of AI projects. AI developers and engineers are on the front line of building and maintaining the organization's AI system. They are required to follow organizational policy and ethical guidelines emphasizing fairness, transparency, and security in the AI system. They develop regular testing and updating of this system, ensure their reliability and performance. Deep governance team. Deep governance team ensure the privacy, quality, and security of the data used in AI system. They implement data management and governance framework and liaise with legal and compliance team on data-related regulatory matters. They also balance data access need with privacy and security consideration. Legal and compliance team provide essential guidance on legal and regulatory matters related to AI. They help monitor compliance with relevant laws and regulation, assess potential legal risks in AI projects, and work with other teams to ensure legal and regulatory consideration are integrated into the organization AI usage. Next, we have the HR and training team. Critical role in developing and delivering training programs related to AI ethics and responsible AI use. They incorporate AI consideration into recruitment, evaluation, and employee development. Employee development processes, fostering an innovative and learning-oriented culture around AI. Internal audit team, ensure compliance with internal AI policy and external regulation. They conduct audit of AI practices, assess associated risks, and provide recommendations for improving the governance and mismanagement of AI within the organization. Their work provides essential oversight, enhancing the organization AI practices, policy standards, and procedures. When it comes to the governance of AI policy standard and procedure, play crucial role in guiding and regulating its development, deployment, and use. Together, these elements help organizations foster responsible and trustworthy AI practices, mitigate risks, and ensure alignment with legal, ethical, and social consideration. Here is how they differ in the context of AI governance. AI policies set the overarching principles, objectives, and ethical considerations that govern the organization approach to AI. They establish the value and goals to be pursued while deploying AI systems. AI policy may address issues such as transparency, fairness, accountability, privacy, and bias mitigation. This policy provides a strategic direction and ensure that AI aligns with the organization's value and societal expectation. Policies may have different components and vary with the needs and complexity of the organization. When creating a policy to address AI, other policy templates within an organization should be reviewed. Existing policy will provide guidance on how to articulate policy elements that should already exist in an organization, such as policy purpose, escalation, policy owner, roles and responsibilities, etc. Following are policy elements that may be in addition to existing policy elements when developing governance for AI. Next paragraph, ethical principles. AI policy often include a set of ethical principles that guide the organization AI practices. These principles may encompass values such as fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, safety, and human centricity. They serve as a foundation for ensuring that AI technologies are developed and used in a manner that aligns with societal norms and values. Governance framework. The policy may outline a governance framework that defines the structures, roles, and responsibility for overseeing AI activities within the organization. These include identifying key stakeholders, establishing accountability mechanism, and determining decision-making process for AI-related initiatives. The last paragraph in page 17. If you are just joining us, my name is Emi Onowale. We are participating in an AI book reading challenge, and the selected book for this AI book reading challenge, the first where the goal is to complete 4 AI books that emphasize on AI governance, responsible AI, and AI ethics. And these are first pick out of the 4 books, and we are reviewing this book. This titled AI Governance, a primer, and is authored by Edward Aden. Then I said if you need a copy of this book, all you need to do is to type in the name on Google and you can get it from the Amazon bookstore. That I can guarantee. I got it from the Amazon bookstore. You can get it. I can't remember how much I paid to get it, but I believe it's just a few dollars, within $30 to $60. Okay, I continue. Next is regulatory compliance. AI policies should address compliance with applicable laws, regulation, and industry standards. They may outline specific legal and regulatory requirements related to data protection, privacy, discrimination, intellectual property, and consumer protection. The policy should ensure that AI systems and practices adhere to this legal and regulatory obligation. That is the end of page 17. Next is page 18. If you are there and you have the book with you, the next chapter is page 18. And here we're looking at transparency and explainability. Given the potential opacity of AI systems, policies often emphasize the importance of transparency and explainability. The component aligns the organization's commitment to providing clear expectation of AI decision, disclosing the use of AI technology, and promoting understandable and interpretable AI models and algorithms. Next is data governance. AI policy typically address data governance policies, including data collection, storage, quality, and security. These components may establish guidelines for responsible data management, data sharing, data anonymization, and consent mechanism. It may also address issues related to bias, fairness, and the use of sensitive or personal data. Next is risk assessment and mitigation. Policies may include a framework for assessing and mitigating risks associated with AI. This involves identifying potential risks and harms, conducting impact assessment, implementing risk management strategies, and establishing mechanisms for ongoing monitoring and evaluation of AI system performance and impacts. Next is training and awareness. Policy may highlight the importance of training employees and stakeholders on AI-related topics. They may include provision for raising awareness about AI technologies, promoting responsible AI use, and ensuring that employees have the necessary skills and knowledge to work with AI systems safely and ethically. Next, we have stakeholder involvement. AI policy may encourage collaboration with external stakeholders such as academic institutions, industry partners, and civil society organizations. This component promotes knowledge sharing, research partnership, and cooperation to address common challenges and advocate responsible AI practices. AI standards are guidelines, specifications, or framework that define technical requirements and best practices for developing, deploying, and managing AI systems. They establish benchmarks and ensure that AI technology meets specific criteria related to safety, security, reliability, and interoperability. Standard may cover aspects like data quality, model validation, explainability, robustness, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Adhering to AI standards help organizations maintain quality, mitigate risk, and foster trust in AI technologies. AI standard consists of various components that provide guidelines, specification, and benchmark for the development, deployment, and management of AI systems. These components collectively form the foundation for ensuring quality, reliability, and responsible development and use of AI systems. AI standards provide regulation with a common reference point, enabling them to meet industry best practices, enhance interoperability, mitigate risk, and build trust in AI technologies. While specific components may vary depending on the standard and its focus, here are some key elements commonly found. We're in page 19. If you are just joining us and you have a copy of the book, we're currently in page 19. Okay, let's move on. See where we start. Start from page 17. And page 19. And what are we looking at? We're looking at, I'm coming. Okay. Terminology and definitions. AI standards often include a section that establishes common terminology and definitions to ensure clarity and consistency in communication and understanding across different stakeholders and organizations. These components help create a shared language for discussing AI-related concepts and technologies. Technical requirements. AI standards specify the technical requirement that AI systems should meet to ensure quality, reliability, and safety. These components may cover aspects such as data quality, pre-processing, model development and evaluation, algorithm selection and validation, system architecture, interoperability, and performance metrics. It provides guidelines for implementing AI technologies effectively. Model validation and evaluation. AI standards often outline methodologies and criteria for validating and evaluating AI models. These components may include guidelines for data selection, cross-validation techniques, performance metrics, benchmarking, and statistical analysis. It helps ensure that AI models are accurate, reliable, and robust. Data governance and management. AI standards may provide guidelines for data governance and management practices. This component covers topics such as data collection, storage, pre-processing, anonymization, consent mechanism, and data protection. It ensures that organizations handle data responsibly and adhere to relevant privacy and security requirements. That is the end of page 19, and let's move to page 20. Interoperability and compatibility. Standard may address interoperability and compatibility aspect of AI systems. This component define guideline for data formats, API, which is application programming interfaces, data sharing protocols and system integration. It facilitates the seamless exchange of data and interoperability among AI systems. Testing and validation procedures. AI standards often include procedures and methodologies for testing and validating AI systems. This component outlines recommended testing framework, test cases, and evaluation procedure to assess the performance, reliability, and safety of AI technologies. It helps ensure that AI systems meet the specified requirements and perform as intended. Documentation and reporting. Standard may include requirements for documentation and reporting. This component defines the necessary documentation to accompany AI system, such as model documentation, technical specification, user manual, reporting template. It promotes transparency and facilitates understanding and communication about AI systems. AI procedures are the detailed step-by-step instruction or processes that dictate how specific AI-related tasks or activities should be carried out within the organization. They outline the methodologies, the tools, and guidelines for implementing AI systems. AI procedure may cover aspects such as data collection, pre-processing algorithm selection, training, testing, and validation, monitoring and maintenance, and incident response. By following these procedures, organizations can ensure consistency, reliability, and compliance throughout the AI lifecycle. AI procedure consists of detailed step-by-step instruction, processes, and guidelines that dictate how specific tasks and activities related to artificial intelligence should be carried out within an organization. This procedure helps ensure consistency, efficiency, and compliance in the implementation, management, and maintenance of AI systems. These components collectively provide detailed instruction and guidelines for executing AI-related tasks and activities. AI procedures help ensure consistent, reliable, and compliant implementation, management, and maintenance of AI systems while promoting good practices and reducing potential risks. Key components commonly found in an AI procedure. We are now in page 21. If you are just joining us, we are reading from the book titled AI Governance, a Primer, authored by Edward Aden. I said you can get a copy of this book from Amazon. You can place your order from the Amazon bookstore. And if you have any question or you have any comment regarding today's AI book reading challenge or our previous reading challenge, please put your comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts. Let us know your insight. And please, can you share these clips? Please share this live. Share this live. Share it on all your social media platforms. Share it on Facebook. Create a video clips of it. Share it on TikTok. Share it everywhere. Share the link on Twitter. Share it everywhere on your Instagram. Share it on all your social media channels. Share it on your LinkedIn professional page so that others can be a part of this AI reading challenge, which we are doing for 301 day or 300 days. Yeah, we started on Monday, and this is a daily activity, spending 30 minutes of your time to get yourself immersed with AI knowledge. Okay, let's continue. Task description. Each AI procedures begin with a clear description of the task or activity it covers. The component provide an overview of the specific objective or outcome the procedure aims to achieve. It helps stakeholders understand the purpose and scope of the procedure. Next is roles and responsibilities. Now we're looking at AI procedure. AI procedure. AI procedure. Okay, let's continue. And we're in page 21 rather, page 21. Roles and responsibility. AI procedure define the roles and responsibility of individuals involved in executing the tasks. These components specify who's responsible for each steps, clarify their roles, and highlight any dependency or coordination required between different stakeholders. It ensures accountability and clear communication within the organization. Step-by-step instruction. This component of AI procedure is the step-by-step instruction. The section outlines the sequence of action, activities, or processes that need to be followed to complete the task successfully. It provides a detailed roadmap for executing the task, ensuring consistency and accuracy in the implementation of AI system. Next, we have tools and resources. Procedures often specify the tools, the software, the hardware, or resources required to carry out the task effectively. This component ensures that the necessary infrastructure, software frameworks, programming languages, or data sets are available for the execution of the AI-related activities. It helps stakeholders understand the prerequisite and dependency of the procedure, data collection, and pre-processing. AI procedure may include guidelines for data collection and pre-processing. The component outlines the method, sources, and quality requirements for acquiring relevant data. It may cover aspects such as data sampling, data cleaning, feature engineering, and data labeling, ensuring that the collected data is suitable for training and validating AI models. And last, we have model development and training. Procedures related to model development and training provide guidance on selecting appropriate algorithm, model architecture, and training methodologies. This component outlines the steps for model training, hyperparameter tuning. The next, I guess this should be the last chapter for the day. We're looking at page 22. Okay. Cost validation and performance evaluation. It ensures consistency and reproducibility in the model development process, testing, and validation. AI procedures may include instruction for testing and validating AI models or systems. This component outlines the methodology and metrics for evaluating the performance, accuracy, and robustness of the AI system. It may cover techniques such as unit testing, integration testing, model evaluation against predefined benchmarks. Next is monitoring and maintenance. Procedures often addresses the monitoring and maintenance of AI system. This component defines the metrics to be monitored, the frequency of monitoring, and the processes for detecting anomalies or performance degradation. It may also include instruction for updating models, retraining or fine-tuning the system based on new data or changing requirements. Incident response and troubleshooting. Procedures may include guidelines for incident response and troubleshooting in the event of system failures, errors, or unintended consequences. This component outlines the steps to be followed to identify the issue and isolate the problem and resolve it efficiently. It helps minimize downtime and mitigate potential risks. documentation and reporting. It provides AI procedures often emphasize the importance of documentation and reporting. These components specify the required documentation for each step of the procedure, such as code documentation, model documentation, and result reporting. It ensures transparency, traceability, and knowledge transfer within the organization. I love that. I love that. It ensures transparency, traceability, and knowledge transfer within the organization. I love that. You know, if that is the reason why you need to engage in effective documentation and reporting practices in the development of an AI technology, I think that is really valid. That's a valid point. I'm in agreement with that. Okay, and the last and next is this set of guidance work in a certain hierarchy. Policy usually dictates the need for standard that should be present, and standard will require procedures that instruct a user on how to execute steps in processes that follow a standard. We can use a software development life cycle scenario as an example. A corporate policy may require that all software development activities adhere to a set of testing standards that produce test results approved by users. This standard could indicate which tests are appropriate for specified system or which system must be used. Yeah, that brings us to the end of today's episode of AI Book Reading Challenge, and we'll stop at page 22. Tomorrow we are going to continue for page 23. Yeah, I would like to do a quick recap of things that stood for me during today's reading episode. I think one thing you need to get yourself familiar will be the roles, the individuals, the stakeholders or players involved in enabling AI governance within the organization. And I guess is a clue to understand the new roles that emerge as a result of the advent of artificial intelligence. Then one thing about innovation is innovation creates opportunities, in as much that innovation could be challenging, and that is one of the might behind artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is going to take a lot of jobs, but at the same time, AI is going to create new job roles, new job titles, and it will also even force organizations to kind of review their organization policy in terms of business continuity. And it will also force organizations to partner with new players that never existed before. Then that is one good thing about innovation. And artificial intelligence is one innovation that stood out among all innovation that we have experienced in the society today. One of the things that stood out, those individuals that are engaged in implementing AI governance, or the players, it comprises of the leadership team, the CEO, the board of directors, the executive management, the chief AI officer, chief data officer, functional owners. The functional owners could be the AI product manager, the AI product owner, the AI business analyst, the AI program manager. Those are actually functional roles. Then we have the AI ethics board and committee. A new job title within this committee could be a responsible AI architect, or an AI ethics expert or assessor. You can put it that way. We have the AI project manager, AI developers and engineer. We have the AI data governance team. We have the AI legal and compliance team. And we will have a dedicated AI HR and training team. as well as AI auditing team. And some of the important concepts that we also kind of touched today was the concept of policy, standard, and procedure. We're able to have a clear understanding of the meaning of ethical principles, governance framework, regulatory compliance, and we're also able to understand the different phases in an AI life cycle, which actually expound our understanding of what ethical practices should be embraced at every phase of the AI life cycle. You know, it talks about the model development phase. It talks about the testing phase. It talks about the concept of validation and evaluation. It talks about the concept of hyperparameters. Then it talks about the concept of cost validation. Then these are important concepts when it comes to AI lifecycle. That is why I encourage every one of you to go ahead and place your order on Amazon. This book is really loaded for me. It has a lot of information. Yeah, you don't want to miss it, and you don't want to miss our daily episode of the reading challenge. And this is amazing. Then I guess this brings us to the end of today reading challenge, and we end at page let's see. I'm coming. Sometimes just mix it up. I guess we end at page 22. Then tomorrow we'll be able to continue for page 23. Then thank you for joining me in today's AI book reading challenge. If you are joining us for the first time, my name remains Henry Onowale, your AI enthusiast, your AI educator, your AI expert, and your responsible AI implementation expert. And the demand is to complete 4 AI books that emphasize on AI ethics, governance, and responsible AI. And we picked the first book, which is AI Governance, a primer authored by Edward Aden. And that is just one of our challenge. Every day we engage 30 minutes of our time to go through this book. And this is what we'll be doing till we get to the end of the year. And we also have other activities that is going on. We've also been having our daily episode of our AI ethics class. And if you follow me on LinkedIn, there is a challenge that is also going, which is called the AI Certification Challenge. Now, what is the requirement of this challenge? The requirement is for you to earn an AI certification, one AI certification in a month. Yeah, earn one AI certification in a month. And the first certification that we pick is the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. Yes, you can follow me on LinkedIn. Just Google, type my name on Google, search and type Henry Onowale. Henry, H as in art, E as in England, N as in Nancy, R as in Robert, Y as in Yomi, O as in orange, N as in Nancy, A as in apple, W as in winter, O as in orange, L as in Linda, and E as in England. Henry Onowale. You can search me. You can follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook as well. Follow me on LinkedIn. And please endeavor to share this clip. Endeavor to share it on all your social media platforms so that we can have more people that can participate in this AI book reading challenge for those who are passionate to pursue a career in AI and also understand the world of AI. The one thing that this AI book reading challenge will do for you is literally bringing AI education to your home, where you are now encouraged to actually learn from others. All you just need to do is to tune in and listen to me while I read the book. I don't think there is anything interesting as engaging in such an activities like this that will help you to have a deep knowledge of artificial intelligence. Then thanks for joining today's episode of our AI book reading challenge. Catch you same time tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Please share the link, share it, share the clips. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.